Today I'm going to show you how to fix a payment failed issue on Upwork. Whether you're trying to add a payment method, purchase connects, or dealing with withdrawal problems, this guide will help you resolve the issue quickly. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and navigate to upwork.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and log in with your credentials. Now, before we dive into the fix, here's something important you need to understand. If your payment failed on Upwork, the solution depends on what type of payment failed. This could include adding a new card, buying connects, issues with a client payment method, or problems with withdrawals. Each scenario might require slightly different steps, but we'll focus on the most common fix, which is updating or adding a new payment method. Once you're logged into your Upwork account, look toward the upper right corner of your screen. You'll see your profile icon there. Click on it, and from the menu that appears, select Account Settings. This will take you to the main configuration area where you can manage all aspects of your Upwork account. Now, in the Account Settings page, turn your attention to the left sidebar. Here you'll find various menu options. Look for the one labeled Billing and Payments and click on it. This section is specifically designed to handle all your payment methods, transaction history, and billing configurations. It's the central hub for resolving any payment-related issues you might encounter. Once you're in the billing and payments section, the first thing you want to do is remove the failing card. This is crucial because the card that's causing problems needs to be cleared from your account before you can add a new one. Locate the card that's been giving you trouble and remove it from your payment methods. This clears the way for a fresh start. After removing the problematic card, look for the option that says Add a Billing Method and click on it. You'll be presented with different payment options to choose from. Upwork typically offers both debit or credit card options as well as PayPal. For this example, let's say you want to add a debit or credit card, so go ahead and click on that option. Now you'll need to fill in your card details. Start by entering your card number in the designated field. Make sure you type it carefully without any spaces or dashes. Next, enter your first and last name exactly as they appear on your card. This ensures the card can be verified properly. Then, enter the expiration month and year of your card. You'll see fields for both month and year, so fill them in accordingly. After that, enter your security code, which is typically the 3-digit number on the back of your card. The next step is to enter your billing address. This should match the address associated with your card to avoid any verification issues. Fill in all the required fields, including street address, city, state, or province, and postal code. Make sure everything is accurate because mismatch information is one of the most common reasons for payment failures. Finally, once all your information is entered and you've double-checked everything for accuracy, click the Save button. Upwork will process this information and verify your new payment method. Give it a moment to complete the verification. And that's it. You've successfully updated your payment method on Upwork, which should resolve your payment failed issue. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.